Hi, Barry from Quicksilver Sound Architects here, and behind me we have something quite special and unusual. This is the brand new Range Rover V6 petrol Ingenium. Is that right, George? What is it?
It's a straight six.
It's a straight six. The inline-six Ingenium petrol engine, the alternative to the V8, the quieter version than the V8, so that's where we come in. We provide a new sound system for this that makes it sound a bit like this. And so there you go, that is the very, very new and very, very quiet from stock Range Rover inline-six Ingenium, I hope I say that right, petrol engine. If you want any more information, click the links below and get in contact with us, and we can get one of these fabulous systems on your car. It gives them some sound, which they don't have from stock, still refined, as you've heard, but gives it something. And with a car with those stunning looks and muscular presence, it really needs an audio soundtrack to match. So get in contact with us, and I hope to see one of those systems on your car really soon. Hello, welcome back. You join me in the very comfortable, relaxed and air-conditioned cabin of this amazing Range Rover. I have not brought one, but two very, very clever-minded Quicksilver technicians with me. Yes, you may recognise Ben in the back seat, living a life of luxury, a VIP, and of course George behind the wheel. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Explain to me what makes this system desirable to an owner of one of these cars.
The valve control, mainly. First of all, we've completely woken the whole thing up, removed some of the really restrictive silencing. We've added its own valve control now as well, which is actuated by the Sound Architect phone app. So you get full control now of valve open, valve shut. When prior to that, I believe it only had one valve or no valves at all. This is the P400, so it's the 6-cylinder petrol. This is the, I believe, the E, which is the plug-in hybrid. They're all slightly different, annoyingly, which means you have to make 1,000 different exhausts. But yeah, this one sounds great, and it sort of suits the vehicle as well. It's not too sort of yobbish when you want to go for it, and then when the valve's shut, it really quiets down again, just like OE.
Couldn't have said it better. Yeah, it sounds quite good. We're on an A road at the moment, but this is valves open.
This is valves open, so you probably have the valve shut when you're cruising. So I'll just do that now quickly. And it just takes the edge off it. Can we come out of dynamic mode, George?
We can indeed.
You got to hold that button down a little. Yeah, there you go. Come into comfort mode, and it's a bit more chill. Or you can go, when you want to really have a go at it, go back in dynamic mode and open the valves. Sort of. There you go, valves open, and you get your noise, which is good.
You basically got variables with our valve control, which is obviously operated through your phone, and then the different driving modes. Kind of adding double the amount of kind of sound kind of variations you can get,
mix and match.
The ECU's changing,
yeah,
the valves are changing, yeah. So yeah, it's gives you that kind of nice. And I don't think any of the modes, they don't offend me, which
no,
is easily done at my age.
Yeah, yeah. None of it's too offensive, and it suits the car. You know, it's supposed to be a comfortable, you know, luxury vehicle.
all these hybrid, they don't make my job any easier, I tell you. But that's what we're here for, because we're sound architects. George, you fitted this system where you took it off and on to check it. What's it like to fit?
Easy, very, very easy.
Yeah.
2 V-band clamps, just line the pipes up, do the clamps up, and it just all goes straight into place where it's supposed to go.
Really good. Oh,
Yeah,
right.
Very easy.
So,
OE fitment, just as it comes off, goes back on, and then you just add our sound architect cables and module, which are really basic. It can just be taken up through the boot floor, and it's super simple.
great. All right. Well, if you need any more information, as I've said previously, click the links below. This is Beyond the Sounds, where we go a little bit more in depth of what you actually get on the system and within the system and that. I like what I'm hearing, so that's gone really quiet. That's gone into,
We've
it's
gone into
gone-
E-mode.
It's gone into
I
emo.
like what I'm hearing, I can't hear anything.
There you go, it's come back on.
Oh, brilliant, yeah. I mean, that's always going to throw me a little bit because I'm old school. But anyway, we'll see you on the next one.
Ta-ra.
Boom.